guys, welcome back. Back to you here with another review, but this time with the Edelin headphones. This is a decent pair of a budget wireless headphones, and this have 4.4 rating on Amazon, and they goes for only $28.98 US. And here we just focus about the important stuff, like this is 30 feet distance, talking time around 9 hours, music time 8 hours, sending time up to 240 hours, charging time between 1.5 to 2 hours, waterproof IPX7. This is perfect for a fitness guys, gym and this kind of stuff. Noise cancellation technology, and that's it. Here is both in microphone, waterproof IPX, as I say, 7, noise cancellation, stereo music for iOS and Android, iOS battery capacity display, and carrying case. Anyhow, let's crack this open. It comes like this. I believe here I have the real deal. Great buyer. Thank you for support and trust, blah 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 blah. That's good. Here we have paper instruction. The package includes wireless headphone, Edelin 1, and silicone S and M and L, air tips, cord management clip, micro USB charging cable, and carrying case, user manual, and gift box. I believe this is supposed to be the gift box. It's fancy anyway, with this magnet clip in here. That's nice. So here we have the case. Let's shake them out. They look really cool. This is a button actually. Way back to this later. Here we have USB cable charging. USB charging cable, sorry. And here we have the AirPods, different sizes. And this is the case. That's really good. With this silicone tip, it looks beautiful. So here we have few very basic function buttons. We got an up and down, and I assume it's gonna be the volume up and down, and then we got this button over here. No, this one, no. I assume is the power button, and right in the bottom here is the micro USB charging port. Here is the multi controls. So as I say, this is the power on and off, as well as pause, play, and also you can answer calls and end calls. That's cool. Alright, have LED indicator over here. So as I say, volume up and down, as well as next song, previous song. So you can forward, backward with this button over here. And this is the built-in microphone. That's impressive. Yeah, and that's about as much as I can tell you about the Edelin 1. And I have already given this thing a listen test, and they sound incredibly smooth and perfectly comfortable when it comes to the ear with this silicone tips in here. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna be leaving the link below, description. You should definitely check them out. And while you're down there, you can hit the like button for this video if you like it, of course. And then see you in the next video. Alright, peace.